I am Brandy Lauder. I am from the Hupacasath First Nation. My Hupacasath name is Hupacasath, which means rich talent within. I've worked for the Hupacasath First Nation since I was 15 years old. Akufen is the Hupacasath name for killer whale. It's the place name for the petroglyphs here, and it tells the story of after a very large tsunami, a killer whale got trapped in Sprout Lake, and it lived here for quite a long time. When it was finally killed, and it was killed here at this spot, when they opened up the belly, they found the different sea creatures, but mostly was the underwater plants that grow here in Sprout Lake. One of the stories of how the killer whale ended up in Sprout Lake is that the thunderbird had picked it up to eat because it was one of its main food staples. And as he flew over, he had dropped it here. Hupacasath is the lightning snake held by tuta, or thunderbird. The main carving in there looks like the lightning snake that the tuta thunderbird carries. As myself, as a little girl, we would come here swimming. We'd, not very often, but when we did, my uncles would tell me about Kikian and the killer whales and all the wonderful sea creatures. We were here so long ago, and we have strived for, at least that I experienced for the last 20 years of trying to protect it. With the gravel road and all the logging, all the sediments would come down and slowly sand it down. We worked with the forestry companies to block the road so nobody can use it. You can walk down it, but you can't drive down it. I know that it's been washed twice in my memory, just so we can bring it out for people to see. We took off the lichens and the sediments and the dirt so it wouldn't wear off so fast. We work with BC Parks to raise awareness that they're here, hoping that people would pay more respect to it. Like I said, in the past, we had problems with vandalism, just people not caring and spray painting and breaking bottles on it. So our First Nation comes out, we visit it as much as we can. Our youth come out here, we go swimming, we talk about it. But we try to keep as much protection on it as we can.